Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you guys how to edit aesthetic pictures with Snow and PicsArt app. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first app that we are going to use is Snow. Go to crop tool and crop your photo into your desired ratio. Here I am cropping it into 4:5 ratio. Then go to filters and see which filter works better for your photo and gives it a aesthetic kind of vibe. I'm going for filter name YU3, and you can obviously control the intensity of the filter by increasing and decreasing the slider. Now save the photo and open it into PicsArt app. Scroll to right and click on add photos and select the same photo again. Scroll to right again and click to select shape crop. Crop the image in any shape you like. Save it and then adjust the size and position it onto your cropped photos. Repeat the same process of cropping the photos into different shape. Positioning the cropped images onto your photo, go to stickers and select some cute and aesthetic stickers. For example, here I am typing the keyword angel aesthetics, and I'm going to select few angel stickers and placing it onto my photo. And also you can later edit its opacity, hue, saturation, shadow and so many other attributes to match it with your photo. This was just an example. You can add as many stickers as you want to make it cute and aesthetic as well. You can type keyword like VHS aesthetic, VHS text on paper, sunflower star aesthetic and so many other things. And guys, obviously you can later change the color, opacity, hue, saturation and other properties of the stickers so that it can match to your photo. After adding stickers to your photo, go to effect section and click on dodge effect and play with its intensity, and at last go to noise and reduce the size of the noise and press apply and save your photo to your gallery. And there you go guys, your very own aesthetic photo is ready to upload on Instagram or wherever you want. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, tata.